video. Today's a special video. I mean, every video is special because I'm trying to do the best for you guys to enjoy this channel and see my martial arts journey. So today is related to Aikido, and interestingly, 2 months have passed since I took the black belt. And actually, I had a question from a follower who asked if I could wear the hakama. And this is what this video is all about. Today I finally got my hakama. I ordered it like 1 week ago and I finally got it today. So let's open it. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. All right, so this is my hakama. It's written here. Oh, you see here Aikido. So color, which is black, and the size is 30, which I saw is for people who about 190. So I'm 188. So the one size before that would be 29, which would be like a 185. So that's a little smaller than me. And my name written in kanji with gold letters, Pereira. Okay, let's open it. Whoa. Okay, my hakama. What's this inside? I didn't know. Okay, so the brand that I bought, this is Tozando, and the Aikido, the style, which is Aikikai, which is the biggest one. Whoa. What's this? Kind of a black belt. Aikido, size 30. Is this a belt? What's this? No, it's just included in hakama. So I think you want to see me wearing this set of. Oh, let's look. This big. How big this is? Whoa! You want to see this? Yay. This is a big one. Okay, written. Yeah. So instead of looking at like this, I think you want to see me wear this. Well, this is my hakama. So you want to see me wearing this, I guess. Yep. Yeah, I saw this before. Okay, so I guess you want to see me wearing this instead of looking at this. Look, let me wear this. So, I'm sure you wanted to see this. So this is the hakama. It's pretty big. And since it's my first one, I have no idea how to wear it. Just watch a video and I'll try to do it now. So don't make fun of me, please. Okay. Sorry about this. But this is not a skirt, okay? It looks like a skirt, but it's not. Okay, so from what I saw, I had to put the back. I had to wear it like this. But my name here again, Pereira, right? Pereira, written in kanji. And if you want me to help you with kanji, I can, but you have to pay, of course. Okay, so I have to put it like this, from what I understood. But anyway, since I can put my legs here, it's not a skirt, it's a trouser. Okay, this not in the back. No, the back is here. Okay, so from what I understood, I have to get this part here in the back, and I have to pass it through the belt here below. I'll pass it here, this side, in this side so we won't fall off. And then I have to bind this below the black belt so it won't fall off. Okay, then I'll bind it here. But I have no idea what I'm doing, so I have to bind it here. So this is the first part, I guess. But as I said, I have no idea how to do this. Then you get the front part. You bring it above the belt, and you get this belt in. You bind this, I guess. Yep. Oh, by the way, before doing that, you also have to pass it to the belt, so your hakama won't fall off. At least so I saw on the internet. Just give me a minute. Pass it through here. Give me a minute. This feels cool, doesn't it? And also I have to pass this through here, and also this. So over the belt, so the hakama won't fall off. Let's continue. So see if we can do this. It's pretty difficult. Okay, my belt here. Must be on top of the belt. Oh, this is pretty big. Wow. Then, from what I understood, I have to bind this like this from the back, I guess. I think I have to put it below the belt one time, and then one more time, but I won't be able to. It's not so long. So what I do here? Maybe go to the back. No. I think I failed here. Let me try again. From here, maybe. Yeah, I finished the same way. I think I can finish like this. Probably. Okay, this is my hakama. Hope it's not too weird. Should put this. Yep. My first attempt at wearing my hakama, which I just got today. I think the leg is a little long, but I can deal with that. That's it. That's my hakama. Now I'm officially a black belt because I'm wearing the hakama. People know I'm a black belt, at least in Aikido. Okay, that's it. I wanted to share with you. So yesterday I put the video where I got the black belt from my sensei, my shiha. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like. Also consider subscribing. And also consider being a member of this channel to help it grow. Don't forget to share this video. Also, if you can, support me also on Patreon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.